In the next 5 minutes, you are going to make a program that uses this serial bus to tell your computer whenever this push button gets pressed. Hi, my name is Jeremy, and welcome to the third tutorial in a series of videos aimed to teach the basics of using an Arduino microcontroller so that you may compete in this semester's Solid State Circuit Society Arduino contest. More information available in the link below. If you have not already, check out our previous videos, as this one will build on their material. When you connect the USB cable, your Arduino is able to communicate with your computer. This connection is called the serial bus. In this video, we will be discussing setting up one-way communication, sending information from your Arduino to your computer. You will learn to send text and values read from your Arduino's input ports. However, the serial bus can do much more. It is possible to set it up for two-way communication, having your computer send commands to the Arduino, then having your Arduino return a result. But this is for another day. Nevertheless, the serial bus is a wonderful tool for debugging projects when they are not working as intended. Let us first show how easy it is to use serial communication. Open the Arduino program. For this step, we will get our Arduino to send the text "Hello Computer" to our computer once per second. Begin with the basic two setup and loop functions. To initialize the communication, go to the setup function and type serial begin 9600. This is a built-in Arduino function with a single argument. This argument specifies how quickly the two devices will communicate, also known as the baud rate. We will be using 9600, but you may use any of these baud rates. Next, in the loop function, type serial print ln, and then type your message, in our case, "Hello Computer." Then add a 1-second delay with delay 1000. And you're done. Plug in your Arduino and upload the program. To view the message sent from your Arduino, open the serial monitor. If successful, you should see the words "Hello Computer" being printed every second. But this is not terribly useful. Instead, let us create a program that reads the state of a push button and sends the result over the serial bus. Make sure to unplug your Arduino before building your circuit. We will start by rebuilding the sensing circuit from the last video using a push button, a 10 kΩ resistor, and 3 wires. For this circuit, I will arbitrarily be using port 5 as my digital input. In the Arduino code, to find the port number, type int input port equals 5. Now, just like last video, initialize the input. Type pin mode input port input. Next, let us read the input voltage. In the loop function, type bool val equals digital read input port. Finally, let us send this value to the computer. Inside the previous print command, change the message to our variable val. Just for fun, let's change the delay to 0.1 seconds. And we're done. Plug in your Arduino and upload the program. This time, when you open the serial monitor, you will notice the value 0 being printed. However, if we push our button, this value will change to a 1. You can also open the serial plotter to view the voltage waveform. The signal should rise every time the button is pressed. If so, congratulations! You are now an expert at using the serial bus. I challenge you to make a program that sends the text high or low over the serial bus based on the reading of our digital input. Join us next video when we will use analog inputs and send their value over the same serial bus.